Right, fantastic morning. And that's so Amraso. Yeah, we can see that to us. 7 dollars. So there's a fantastic thing. You can say, and you know, now I oneexpert.com and I think so the GFast mixture. And on my swim wedding summer day Ebrewo. Of course, Mokopi Mwana, Seti more gel and roll on so can ya de buy easy crane and ya. Sergio Manucho Benapadibutre, the producer schedule and Cassani, Erica Sedu we don't say anybody ever shall say if you're fear bunny the FIFA World Cup, Basso Qatar and Ras semi-final 2. About France, Africa rep Morocco. My history, some more ball in the semi-final. Now, more has some with me. I had the first African country. My trust me now. Quack record for my break set, but breaking and set it. You know, France show more come in one more to me and Tiama. Say France. Back-to-back finals. I'm heading with some country back home to match World Cup. No, at was me. You know, I'm in Argentina. But when I'm Roman Rock came in once and I met was. Morocco ball 3rd and 4th. And that's a 3rd place game. Maybe Danane Kwasi that so ya na the final na baso den France. Omani Argentina. And yes, one match and you ever no. Morocco beat me at Tosomiensa on Croatia the pen so you ever send a beko near the idea and on area course. So it was the FIFA World Cup in my day banana pay. Now Kopi Mwana oneexpert.com catching and rank for Jessica and World Cup munye ni bi enwi e pacho. Or the matches be no academy celebrate me this cardia go bottom oneexpert.com. Now if you want to copy more the senior national soccer team the Black Stars of Ghana link at the link World Cup no Mohamed Kudus ya branti abakwa obo no more the part of Ghana World Cup against KCS you know pay and on Ghana Gold Expo and penny for Abana boss body strong kwanya sam keto akra na bo kwabna ochire da komensa o MP at the takrade constituency the anymore say one more at the gold coin pa Emma Brantis and no wabojuma more piafo
could have done to the Ghana team can never be measured in any way. 2 young people that promote our country continue to shine, and for the love they've had for our country to promote the country this far, we believe that it is time that we also recognize the individuals that made Ghana proud during the season of the World Cup that were there. So we invited him to present to him a gold medal, commemorative gold medal, which is a white gold that we use, and we've been doing this over the period to show how Ghana appreciates the work that they've done in supporting Ghana's football. You know, Western region, like I always say, anytime Western region people are inside there, anything, we are successful. In fact, when we went to the African Cup of Nations, those days, 6 players came from Western region to join the team. So we have a big passion for what we call football, from Azakers to Wise, even though these days we're having difficulties. We also have new ones that have also joined the Premier League, like Summertex. So every time, I mean, some talents are coming up from the Western region. And for the work that he did and the football that he played, during the World Cup, Gold Expo Foundation, we do believe that it is time that we also honor them, because any nation that cannot honor its heroes, they say it's not worth dying for. We believe that this is our widow's might to show appreciation from the Western region, the Gold Expo Foundation throughout the country, to show appreciation to them, for him to know that no matter how far he went, he had the full support of all Ghanaians, including the Western region and the Gold Expo Foundation. So I present to you this, yes. You know, these commemorative medals were produced here in Ghana by Gold Coast Refinery, and it's the first certified Responsible Jewelry Council member in the whole of West Africa for responsible gold.
Wow, and we there Kudus Day. Na chese Kudus na ejini di ne. Ba ya de man sa no so kasa kakra ya obending.
I want to thank my teammates because we went through as a team and everyone played their part. I think it's a collective trophy for all the guys who went to the tournament. So I want to give thanks to the teammates and the whole team and all my brothers supporting. Thank you for all of this. I want to thank my teammates because
Asempetia Muhammad Kudus ne samode to draft as a board sa abaso no na shane so ma me say Jifas Mesha ka hona yere sam na dey bro Ghana Premier League ne ba 19th of December ye ko break World Cup ye bo wi na de chen ne gina mu den e de to so e de amanya sam keto akra to fo wo mo gina mu na so mo ne isu atrema na de pem so match day 9 and on head coach Matic den sam kakra to dwa chire mo kwa mo fa so asiesie mo aboremu wo abra league ni samba imo.
No, for us the most important next game. We prepared. Now we have time, one more week to prepare for next game. We're waiting to see Federation what will decide about us because we have 5 players out, and we will see. But we must be ready. That is, we must ready. We must work.
Right, we must be ready. We must work hard. And then somewhere, Slavko Matic or here too, and so Hormo, Sedimo gel and roll on, pin Biaba Quay, Sedimo gel and roll on. Now, Fiona, you go so can't league them on someone at the Aquapimo. Our Great Olympics for catch a match. I see ya preconana, Legon City to 12 truck, but still, resource. And yeah, bad Sani, I did no more competing Kakran and say 12 truck. Now, around about Quaba now, then Wabe Shimama League Limoya Day Olympics. So, in my day, Manuel Jamabadunika Kanika from my Black Stars player. And on a ya prequen coach, Ekasa, Efahon, Quaya, Jamabadu, Ebony Timono.
Oh, yeah, I demand the experience, the energy, and believe it not their back. And the boys are enjoying him so much. Experience media, you can't buy it. And not the strength and power or use who are packing also. So young boy and also then you have to also follow up. And so it's helping, you know. Who compare Ajima and Tulia, 2 different players altogether. You know, the Tule is more of the long pass, the Ajima the power, energy, and vision to find his colleagues as well and shooting and you can see that.
Right. Menone Samaya Precondia to or Ajamambadu now. Wasaka Safani place be a copy more the Black Galaxies of Ghana camp. Watch him say Badwam and same
for the club. You know, me I am me advice players and say from a January taxi money. Nti one could be now retire footballer. Now when I owe. Nti. Was
it Brapa Mabiani a day?
Taxpayers money.
There's no corner could be.
Also, and to find yourself there. And when club you should be on transit. Then managers the media club and Barbary type. You'll be on transit. Your thinking power should be more than where you are playing. You have to. As when your vision say, I had me trim. Me Ahamede me the Benya Chan, Semenya under 20 Menya 23 and national team if the opportunity comes I'll grab it. Like when Maxwell Abe, Ashikwe, Jamal Haruna they grabbed me but unfortunately, Jamal got injured, Ashikwe so due to 1 or 2 lose uniform Takra and Maxwell too decided not to play for Olympics again and were you free. And see, apart from that, you know, when you come back from the national team, who say
right, meno ane samwa ya prekondia to eja efa ne players bia akopimu was the Black Galaxies of Ghana camp. Sedimo gel and roll on omokan wona. Eren samna de bro na no pay. That's on oneexpert.com. And so yeah, sponsors and no adanche na fiso no Jifas Mesha mo jina nice so bema ene oba yes no na aba no jeja ho also fa ho gym na so ye pensere enya sam keto akra ena ya woda we ya woda film na kese ado efieda we fieda na kese wo come meneda wo film meneda wo ko kwasieda na su ne patro asu Rason Adom TV 9 lessons and car on him say afibia de ba feed no ya shade to mu nchene aye to mu nchene kra ye no sonko kra ere wa se de me kan bo se enye ntro na media na say we share or national theater afie be sonko kra se ne surprise be hey mu no but you nya ticket amount some can ticket in them 30 Ghana cedis and apart from say wait me do phone ato no oba your front desk ko me ha bet me ticket bi ato etifa ho jim ni pansare afini mu ni nyina mra so ko je ni where you are there like that no don't be there like that fa ho jim ni pansare ti nyina me hia wo national theater but you hu me no afre me wa entwam hu pa ye me high na me so my high So my hi na so ne yakwe ni me atwitwa pictures na ya di nkomo ni ade so yes it am Asia me nyina so na ye fancy uguso ehwe bedwem wo ya Adom TV so Sajo Mano Chobana pade botwe me producer schedule na kasa ni Erica Siedu body ko so he bedwem